Hey guys, it's Garage Door Tech 97. I keep saying, wanting to say 1280 because I'm used to it. Haha. Come on. There you go. Doink. And now if it'll focus it. Come on. There you go. What's going on? Well, I just wanted to do a quick update. Look over there. Oh, what's that? It's a new keypad for the Legacy. Yep. I got it for $5 pretty much. If you want to get technical with that. I got 4 things actually off of actually I think I have a video on YouTube of it. Of all the remotes, like, of the 4 things I got off Facebook Marketplace. Sorry, my brain's dead. I drove today from my house, if this thing will kick on. Doink! And I was involved in a hit and run. Yeah. That sucks. So this is popped out. I'm pretty sure that could be popped back in easily. And got a nice scuff right there. But this is pushed in as well. I didn't even realize that. Oh well, at least it's not my truck. Still sucks it happens, but it would have sucked if it was this truck, because that's a brand spanking new bumper from the last time I was in an accident. That was not my fault. Ay. Anyway, a lot of bugs out today. Well, it's summer, and it's also we're in the country, so. Anyway, so here it is, mounted. That, by the way, is the, well, it just tore it. That's the, moving door can cause serious injury thing. It wasn't, actually right there. It was mounted somewhere else, but I just put it there. So, let's go in. Or at least let's hope run it. That thing was really stiff, but I got it better just after so many uses. I love that Legacy. I really do. Right? And back down with it. Let's do a sensor test. See it flash, the sensor. Okay. There's the new weather seal on it, if no one's seen it yet. I like it. It has a nice tight seal to it. And it matches the big door now. Huh? Just for some giggles, let's run the 70-20 up and down a circle using the 9761. It is a bit buzzy. It's alright. I still need to get light covers for it, but it's alright. And down. I want to put the other Legacy up, but to be honest, it's running okay. 70-20. And I'm not going to push it, so I'm okay with it. Got it. Alright, we'll go back in with the on the Legacy side. Then I'm going to show you how to erase the memory on the keypad and program a code. Just why not? Beautiful. Love the Legacy. All right, let me sit you up somewhere. Let me see if I can. Well, let's see here. There's the clicker keypad that I took out. And this is going to be a little more difficult than I thought. All right, let's see here. All right, so I'm going to try to do it with the iPad in my hand. So to clear it, the memory, push and hold program and 8 at the same time, and then slide this up. Gee, hold on. Let me sit you on top of the hood of my truck. Okay, come on. Hold on. Let me get something to support the iPad. Glass cleaner. The can of glass cleaner will work. Okay. So push and hold program and 8 at the same time and slide up. Release. Now I'll come back because I just needed one hand. I needed a hand for that. Okay. After you do that, push 3, 5, 7, program. Enter your code. We'll do program. And then come back here to your hit your alarm button once the light will start flashing. Then come back here to your keypad, enter your code, hit send 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And you're good. Use the sensor. Okay, now we're gonna clear this again and go back to the output code. So 3, 5, 7, program, the code. Okay. And come back again one more time. Hit the alarm button. Okay, there we go. Yes, I know I'm not showing it, but you already did, so I'm gonna start to get this done. There we go. Listen to that. Such a quiet opener. That thing is so quiet. All right, guys, there we go. There's the new keypad. Here's the wall control, of course, light. Lock there, and then up and down. Beautiful. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you next time.